Lavanya from Lexis and Company, working as an intern. Today I will be talking about the draft for the Notice of Commencement of Arbitration, which is given under Section 21 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act of 1996. The conflict commences on the date the respondent receives a request for the matter to be submitted to the arbitration. Parties are required to respond to the legal notice from time they receive it until the expiration of the time limit specified. Now, what are the things to remember while drafting a notice for the commencement of arbitration? It is imperative to demand that the dispute be referred to the arbitration, the parties, name, registered addresses, places of incorporation, residence, telephone number, electronic mail address if known. For state responders, identify the relevant department and governmental body, the arbitration agreement and clause, making sure to incorporate reference to the arbitration clause or arbitration agreement that is being invoked as annexed. If needed, show the aggrieved party can avail itself to arbitration. Show how the preconditions to the arbitration have been duly met. The contract agreement, if possible, attached copy of the contract or connection to which dispute arises, the dispute between the parties, including a brief statement describing the nature and circumstances of the dispute, rule of law applicable, indicating specific breaches and violations, stating the procedure and conduct of arbitration, state choice rules, purpose, state any procedures to which the parties have previously agreed upon, considering the suggestive language, appointment of arbitrators. Unless the parties have agreed otherwise, state the nomination of the arbitrator, which should be odd in number and equal ratio. Not complete descriptions of facts. That is not the waiver of rights, remedies or claims. It is quintessential that the notice is impeccable drafted, as it is the driving force for which it catapults the process of arbitration and paves the way for the party towards just and equitable relief in the form of an arbitral award.